Brothers at my side, I be willing to die, getting high all the time.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna talk about the conditional. We know conditionals are very important in English grammar, so let's start learning them one by one. We know that there are four types of conditionals. They are zero, and the first, second, and the third type of conditional. So let's start with zero conditional. This conditional is used for automatical and habitual actions. For example, if it rains, it gets wet on the ground, or if winter comes, it gets cold outside. Okay? You can see from these examples, we use present simple in both parts of conditional. We know there are two parts of sentence if we use conditional to make up sentences. They are if part and the main part. We use present simple in if part and the main part also, okay, in this type of conditional. And the next one is first conditional, and this type is used for real actions and possibilities for future. Let's see structure. In this type, we use present simple in if part and future simple or modals with future meaning in main part. Okay? Let's see examples. If you search your keys, you can find them on my table. If you're ready, let's start. And the next one, conditional type 2. This kind of condition is used for unreal and imaginary situation with the present meaning. Let's see the structure for the second conditional. We use past simple in if part and would plus verb in main part. Let's see some examples. If I had money, I would lend you. Or if I knew his number, I would call him. And there is one more structure for this type of conditional. This is if I were to do. We can use this structure instead of if I did. Okay? You may use both of them in the same meaning. For example, if I invited you, would you go there? Equals if I were to invite you, would you go there? Okay? These two sentences are with the same meaning. But there is one exception. The following verbs cannot be used with this structure. They are belong, adopt, enjoy, know, like, remember, and understand. And the last one, third type of conditional. And this conditional is also used for unreal and imaginary situations like type 2, but in this conditional it doesn't give the present meaning but the past meaning, okay, with regret, past with regret. Okay, let's see structure. In if part we use past perfect, and in main part we use would, could, should plus have plus verb 3. I mean done. Okay, would have done, should have done, or that could have done. Let's see examples. If I had met you earlier, we would have been close friends. If he passed the exam, he would have been a student. And this is the end of our today's lesson. See you.
And no such thing as evil is. Do it.